Hey, it's Xavier, and want to just go over this screen. So this is the driver information screen, and really to control this, you just need the top three buttons here. So each of these are buttons where you could actually touch on it and click on it. Oh. And then, for example, let's say I hit home. You see, it pulls up a menu option as well. And this is where you could actually change the looks of the car, right? The information displayed. Let's go on sport. Here on this screen, I would say this is more for the sports enthusiast, where you can actually check out the G-force data as you're taking a turn. It also have like the engine data as well, lets you know like how much horsepower is being used. Now let me go to the standard classic. The classic is what the normal driver information screen has. You're gonna have the miles per hour, right? Over here, you're gonna have how much gas you have left, which is this here. This lets you know it's got 45 miles left. Lets you know the time here, and lets you know the if the cruise control is on, if I got my seatbelt on, miles per hour, right? And you can change this middle screen. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. And down here you have where if you the idle stop, if you don't want the car to turn off on you, you hit this button and it turns it off. Little indicator light comes off. Lets you know it's off, right? And keep going. Lets you know, again, it's off. Lets you know the exterior temperature, and the tachometer is over here. This lets you know that I'm currently in drive. And you hit the push button park. And then the C there is whether you are in comfort mode or sport mode or eco mode. And you can go here to change that. You see here, now it's going to be in sport. You'll see that now it shows that it's in S. And so to back up in this page, where if I go on this little scroller here, this is where I can go and change the different data of the car. And it's really kind of up to you. You could have your music there, so it just depends on what you want to do with it. So now I'm going to hit the home button now and keep going. If the car is equipped with navigation, then this is where you go for the navigation screen. If not, you could actually purchase the navigation through the Mercedes-Benz app. It's about $500 or so. If your car is equipped with the driver assist package, this is the screen that you can use to show you the data on that. And then just going over here, you have just the service information here. Let me, where you could, if I drove a little bit, you could check the tire pressure. It provides like the engine oil level, the coolant temperature. So just data regarding details on the car.